I'm Himanshu Suri, and I'm the principal architect at Architect Suri and Associates. We are a young and dynamic firm based out of Panchkula and have been in the practice since 2009. So today I want to introduce our project that we finished in 2020, that is a cafe that we designed in sector 17 Chandigarh by the name of Magic Dough. So the expectation from this project was quite high, being located in a major part of the city. It's basically a small food space in an area of 330 square feet, located in the premium retail space. So this cafe, this food space overlooks a public corridor, catering to the huge rush of shoppers and passers-by. So need of the hour in this particular market was to fill in a gap wherein it lacked a high street cafe where the Magic Dough steps in. So we started the project by thinking about what type of environment is expected out of the place and the sort of vibe we wanted to create. So we decided to go ahead with French County style, which would give in the necessary break to the brutal modern clean lines and exposed concrete finishes quite prevalent in this particular market. Talking about the design in detail, here is a brief overview of the cafe post completion, wherein the French County style is omnipresent. So the style is all about natural materials, bright colors, tall fabrics, extravagant lighting, lots of wood and natural materials, all with a rustic touch. Here is the layout of the cafe, which is squeezed in a very tiny area of 330 square feet. It has a very tiny entrance of about 6 feet with an additional inherent challenge of the floor space being divided unequally with a level difference of about 2.5 feet. Now, with a detailed study of anthropometrics, read in conjunction to the available area and requirements for a cafe, helped us detail out and utilize each and every square inch of space available to us. Well, the layout can be read in 3 sections, first being the entrance. The entrance being a heightened area with tall bread basket units, pronounce the products on offering with a high counter style setting. Here, the level difference in the floor has been well catered to us by using it to our advantage of segregating the bread basket area by partially leveling the steps and adding cast iron railings to create that sectional divide in an area. Second being the sitting area. The larger area, sitting area, uses sofa sitting along the wall, ensuring maximum cover and the flexibility of combination setups of 2 to 8 seaters as the requirement may be. Third section is the counter with kitchen. Well, primarily it's the backbone of the cafe and it accommodates 2 display counters on either side with a bill desk in the center. These display refrigerators are for the cakes and the bakery products on display and on for sale. The counter also has a rear backsplash area with space for dry preparation equipment. And the kitchen, which is roughly about 5 feet by 10 feet 6 inches, this space has been laid out to accommodate the maximum with utmost proficiency in space management. Magic Dough. The spirit of this cafe is reflected in the fine lines and the color palette. The space has an identity of its own. If we talk about the design sensibility, the color scheme of this cafe has bright colors, which are an excellent choice for a dynamic and bold interior design. The cafe is modern yet playful and stimulating. So we've used bright pink, blue, and following up is the arch wall paneling with high wall lights. These arch wall panelings are specific to the French County style that we were talking about, which adds to the aesthetic appeal and the overall sensibility of the space. Adding on to the charm of this small little naive cafe, the features and small accents were used throughout. For example, right starting from the entrance of the cafe, which follows up again with the French County style, giving it an identity of its own, be it the cast iron railing, the steps, or the ceramic tile patterns used in accent locations with reflective mirror surfaces. So, to sum it up, the project attempts to strike the balance between effective utilization of space and layout to achieve the design for this high street cafe in the heart of the city.